Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to write a car accident report. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a car accident report. So to write a car accident report, first thing you need to do is, as you can see right here, rep- you need to put a report title, like the vehicle condition or the accident report. Just put it the title there. After that, put in the date. Like for example, like today, it is April 3, 2025. Put in the date. And also put a name and confirmation of the person preparing the report. So for example, your name is Kev. Put in your Kev. There you go. And if you have a Gmail or a number, you can put in your Gmail or number there as well. So you need to put in the vehicle details, the make, model, and year, and also put the vehicle identification number, license plate, mileage, and owner's name, but if applicable only. And right here, and number 2, put in the purpose of the report. Clearly state the reason for the report. For example, as you can see here, routine maintenance inspection, pre-purchase, accidental report, damage assessment, insurance claim documentation, vehicle condition if applicable. As you can see right here, you can put in the body's condition, if it's a scratch or rust. And interior, you can put the seats, the dashboard cleanliness, and also the mechanical condition like engine performance, brake tires, fluids, oils, and brake fuel, and all of those stuff. And also add the accidental details, but if applicable only. Depending on the car's damage or depending on the situation, you can put in the date and time, location of the incident, weather and road condition, and description of the event. So what happened? So here, a quick tip: just try to tell like a story of what happened in that situation, so it would line up with the damage of the car. Then next is the parties involved. So other drivers, if there is, or if witness or police report number, damage assessment to vehicle and property, and also photos of diagrams attached if possible. As you can see here, number 5, put in a maintain and repair history if relevant, like the list of receipts repair, and also invoice, mechanics, notes, and etc. Number 6, recommendation and next step, any necessary reports to follow-ups, estimated costs if available, and next inspection or service date. And finally, the last one is the signature and attachment. So, as you can see here, you need to prepare your name and your signature in the bottom of the report. And if applicable, you can also add by reviewed by a person or eyewitness, and they will also put their name and their signature right there. And you need to attach a photo or a receipt or maybe a document for reference in this case. And I'm gonna give you a quick tip, and I'm gonna give you an example of what I did. Here you go. This is what I did. As you see, vehicle condition report. As you see right there, I made it name vehicle condition report as a title, and date is April 3, 2025. Prepared by, of course, Guide Glimpse. And contact information, I put a random name, just put a random name at gmail.com, and the number 123456789 and 0. So say vehicle information, Toyota, year, VIN, license, mileage, owner, and I put some, of course, I put the Guide Glimpse, that's the owner. Purpose of the report: this report assess the current condition of the vehicle for a pre-sale inspection. And there you go. Exterior condition, there you go. Small dent, rear bump, all functional. Tires 60%, tread remaining, and we have good condition, no cracks. There you go. Heater and air conditioner working properly. Mechanical condition, we have no warranty, lights run. So all of this were just of course, made up. I don't have a Toyota Corolla, but here's an example of what I did. There you go. And maintenance and repair history, all changed 24 miles, March 25. Also, I put the brake pad replacement, 50 miles, December 2024. Battery replacement, 48 miles, October 2024. And here you go. Consider replacing rear bumper, then I'm estimated cost of $150, and rotate tires during the next oil change. Schedule the next routine service at 60,000 miles. And here's the signature. Here's my name. Here's the owner's name, prepared by Guy Glimpse. Then we're gonna put his signature, and reviewed by me. I'm gonna put my signature here. And this is just an example, or yeah, this is example attachment. I put a photo of an exterior scratch and dent. And here is another photo of a copy of their recent maintenance records. But as you can see, it's just it's just words. But so a quick tip for you guys: if you want to copy a picture, just click a picture right here, and copy the picture, then paste. Then you can right click it and just click on paste, or you can just Control V on it, and there we go. Here's the copy of the recent maintenance record. As you can see, the maintenance record. I'm just joking, guys. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.